Okay, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make revolved slab commercial building. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle. We can click the rotate rectangle from this point, and we can set the depth of this building around 30 meter, and enter. And we can set the depth of this building around 12 meter approximately, or around 15 meter. Okay, and then we have to push it up around 1 meter for the slab thickness, and can triple click, make group, and right click and make component, create. Okay, then we have to move and duplicate to above, and we have to move up around 3.6 meter and enter. And then we can select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. You can follow this step. Okay, then now we can click this slab, and you can duplicate and rotate this one. Okay, you can revolve the slab until this position approximately. Okay, and so you can get the result of this building. Okay, now you can visualize about the column structure in this area only. To make a better visualization, you can select the circle column and click on this position. Okay, and you can make this column, and you have to push it down until this position, and then triple click, right click and make group, and right click and make component, create. Then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and we can select this one and select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, and then we can make the column again in here and in this position, okay, to make it more realistic. And then we can, using the rectangle, click from this position until this position, and then we can offset it inside around 1 meter and enter. Okay, then we can delete this plane and erase, and we can triple click, right click and erase, and then we have to push it down until this position, triple click, make group, and okay, we can delete this surface. Okay, and now we can select this line, and select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we can type 10/ and enter. And also this one, we can select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 25/ and enter. Okay, now we can assign the materials with this, and we can also make the glazing. We can also make the glazing system with using the line. We can using the line, click from this position until this position, okay, until this position, and also this position. Okay, then now we can offset it inside. Okay, around 500 millimeter only. Okay, then we can right click and erase, and triple click, erase, and then we have to push it down until this position, and we can triple click, make group, and then we can delete. Okay, we can delete this surface, and we can left this perimeter surface only. Then we can click this one and select a move, press Ctrl, place to this position, and then we can type 25/ and enter. And also this one, we can select move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 12/ enter. Okay, and also this one, we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position, and then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, then we can also delete this one. Okay, we can assign with the glazing system in here. Okay, now we can make the landscaping in here. Okay, we can scale about the landscape in here. Okay, then now we can using the freehand tool to make the landscape in here. For example, like this. So you can explore more about the landscape variation. This is just my idea of a landscape. Okay, you can explore about the landscape by your own exercise anyway. Okay, then you can select landscaping. We can assign the materials, and we can assign the asphalt materials in here and adjust the asphalt dark level of darkness, and then we can triple click and make group. And now we can assign with the component. We can use the components and component samplers, and we can select the tree. Okay, we can select the tree and place to this position, and then we can select materials and assign the materials with the glass, green glass in here. And select move, press Ctrl and place to the appropriate position of landscaping design to make it more representative for your own presentation. And now we can activate the shadow. Okay, we can activate the shadow, and now we can we can change the style to be this style. Okay, and then we can also assign with the colors material to make it more attractive. Okay, we can change with the orange materials on this edge of this building, and we can also change the dark material on this column to make it more representative enough. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.